Right, so this is the E Type, and this is me having to paint it. Now Luke did all the prep on it. It's come out really good. We had a bit of trouble with the first mix of paint, so no doubt if you get the video, so you'll see. And the second mix of paint, we're going to try a little bit different. Now, I haven't painted a car, as I think I said before, for 30 years, and then it was with synthetics. I never used this stuff before. Gun was playing silly buggers, having a right fun and games with it. But anyway, fried it all off to get it, because it's thin in places, and I'm going to try and get it. I'm just going to ladle it on now. I've got about 3 litres of paint, and I'm going to work it on there, runs and all. And then, if it runs, I can cut the heads off with a knife blade and flatten back with 800, and hopefully it'll be good enough. Is that right? It's good enough as far as I'm concerned. So I hope you're seeing this and realising that you're right. I didn't pay anyone to paint it. I haven't paid anyone to paint it, and neither am I going to. This is all painted by me in the edge shed. Single swim. I think it'll be alright. If it isn't, well, you'll see it with runs and all. Because like I said, guys, I'm getting fed up with it, as they say. I'm lamb can with it now, so I want to get it done. I'm fed up, I'm bored, I'm really sick and tired of being sick and tired, and I really need to get this thing finished. And painting is the last thing on the agenda. Then it's then to get the rubbers, and then get the interior, and then maybe we can get it down the wheels, and maybe I can get the headlights in and get it out of here, get the glass in it, get it out. So that's it. And as I said, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, don't look. If you do, then I'll try and show you after I put all the runs in it. And I think you'll find it'll be worse, possibly, than a dose of the Bagno Aburates. But anyway, we're looking at the fruition of my paint job. Now, I'm not painting, but I haven't got too many curtains in it. In fact, I don't got any curtains in it. But it is not that very bright on the old Shine Nathan front. But then I was saying that, I don't know. Well, I'll give it a bit of a rev off with a bit of what's name and buff it back up. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, look, we knew it was never going to be perfect, didn't we? I think everyone knew that. I think we have to be bloody Einstein about that. But, I mean, there it is. That's the first car I've painted in 20 or 30 years. Still a bit, could have probably done with another coat of paint, but we'll see what it looks like out in the sun. Really. If we can actually out in the sun, let's give it another coat of paint then. I'll have to give it another coat of paint. But for now, guys, what I'm going to say to you is, that's it. That's as good as it gets. Impressed? Probably not. But I am. And I'd rather have it looking like that than it did look like before, because before it looked bloody terrible. So at least like this, it's not absolutely stunningly, but it is not bad. I mean, as I said, we're not in the best light to see things, but I mean, come on, Ed, it's done. It's done. You know, it's done. Is that done, or is that done? I mean, come on, it looks like it's done to me. Where's the one bone in my life that we didn't get painted, which was inside of the window. This is that can be done on the car, off the car. I don't know what you've done with it. Look, what did you do with it? What did you do with it? I don't know what you've done with it. Anyway, so yeah, there's a few jobs there. Now, I've got to decide whether I want to do them or whether I want to just have a rest. I don't know. But I think it looks good. I don't think I'll be too fussed about the rest of it now, guys. So yeah, if you enjoyed that, just show us you can do anything you want if you put your mind to it. So, like I said, guys, like and subscribe here and follow me about. And if you want to see it and get a bit further, it's going to get further.